So about 3 to 5 months ago, I have made some videos about Convergence Proxy AI, and they market themselves as an AI agent that can automate or do tasks on your behalf. So the idea is quite simple. You can prompt this AI tool, you can send an instruction, and then AI will open a virtual browser, and then it will do tasks on your behalf. For example, you can use it to schedule a meeting. You can tell AI to book a hotel or maybe do a research. Basically, the key takeaway here is that it can interact with the web page. Regular AI like ChatGPT, Gemini, stuff like that, they do require some other configuration to be able to control a website, but this one is actually able to control the website the same way human control a website. It can click on the links, click on the buttons, see the page, and also scroll down or scroll up to get to the area or buttons that they want. So it is definitely a very interesting way to utilize AI to make your life easier and more productive. But unfortunately, the company is no longer around. I think they have been acquired by an even bigger company. So yeah, we cannot use proxy agent anymore. But the technology is still being used by some other companies. Like I think, for example, Manus AI has released Manus browser, which is basically very similar to proxy agent. But if you want to use this tool and maybe you want to automate certain tasks or delegate AI to do your own work, then you can actually use it for free via Microsoft Copilot Actions. So this tool is available for free. You can definitely use it to do a lot of tasks similar to Proxy AI Agent. And another benefit is that it is well integrated with Microsoft products like Microsoft 365. So in this video, I'll show you how you can use this AI tool to do a lot of things like booking a hotel, reserve a table in a restaurant, or maybe schedule a meeting. So to get started, you can navigate to copilot.microsoft.com. And I do recommend to log in with your account because you cannot use, if you cannot access this feature if you're not logged in. Now here, just to give you a context, previously, I used Copilot to find what is the latest video from Mr. Beast and how many views that video has. So this is the answer. It is not giving me up-to-date information. It says that the latest video has 95 million views, but it is actually about 111 million views. So it is not the most up-to-date. But that's because it is not able to get the latest data, or it is not actually visiting this page or the video. So that is something that Copilot Vision, actually Copilot Actions, can do quite easily. It will literally visit the page. It's really almost like you are asking someone to browse YouTube, find Mr. Beast's channel, and then find the latest video and how many videos too many views that video has. So I will try to use the same prompt, the same instruction again. Again, you can use any of the instruction. This is really just for demonstration. Let me just paste that. And here, let's replace quick response to action and then send the message. So what would happen now is AI will ignite a browser, a virtual browser, not a browser on your PC, of course. It is a virtual browser. And I'm unable to provide data in real time. So that could happen. So I guess I have to refine my prompting a bit. Just go to YouTube and find the latest video from Mr. Beast and tell me how many views it has, question mark. And okay, let's just click enter. Just wait. Okay, it's thinking. That's a good sign. There you go. It opens a browser. It is navigating to YouTube for Mr. Beast. Now I'm not doing anything. I'm not touching my keyboard or my mouse. It's really just AI doing its own task. So this process will, take quite a bit because the current state of AI agent is not the best. It's still improving, but right now it might take several minutes just to do this simple task. So I'll just skip forward and show you the result and a few other things that you might want to know about this feature. So it has finished the task, and as you can see, it tells me that the latest video from Mr. Beast has 111,781,533 views right now. And when I check that, it's actually very much accurate. It is down to the last digit. So This is the capability of AI agent that can browse that they can use a browser. It knows the information in real time. It can access the page. It's really like a human controlling the computer. Now, there's also a feature where we can take control. This is actually kind of optional because if you want to use this, then it is only usually when AI cannot do something, or if there is a CAPTCHA message that AI cannot solve, which could happen a lot. So this is really the last resort if AI cannot solve the problem, and then after that you can give the control back to AI and continue the task. So I think, yeah, that's basically how you can use it. It's actually quite simple, and maybe you can start playing around with this tool. You can try to think some other scenarios where it could make your life easier and more productive. So that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.